It's Linda Medeiros, director of The Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. Today, I am doing a steak dinner, but for a side dish, I'm making a corn pudding. So I want to show you what is going on here. So I have my stainless steel mixing bowls, and this is the smallest one. I love, love, love these. These are perfect for anybody who is starting up a house, or if you need really great bowls, because these, I think I've had this bowl for probably 20 years and they're all still going strong, and they do have lids. This is the 8-cup one, comes in a set of 3. So we've got some Jiffy corn meal, corn mix. Easy, easy, easy. Then we're gonna throw in about a cup, and I have a feeling this is gonna be a lot less than a cup than what I have in here. So I might need another little thing of that. Well, we'll see how that goes. We're gonna have like a cup of the sour cream. Then we're gonna have some cream style corn, a can of cream style corn, and then a can of regular corn that has been drained, okay? So we've got that. We've got some melted butter. This is about half a stick. These are the prep bowls. Love these for gifts because you can put like little candies in them. They come 6 to a package with lids. Great little candies to give away to friends. That's a great gift idea. And then a jar of pimentos, okay? So that is pretty much it. And I'm gonna see when I mix this together if this looks like it's about what it should be. And if not, I'm gonna add maybe some more sour cream, or I could probably even add some milk, but the recipe calls for the sour cream. This looks like about what the consistency should be. Let me move this aside, and then I will show you. I am putting this in my enameled cast iron. This is the enameled cast iron baker. This is a 2-quart one. I love this for all my casseroles and stuff like that. Perfect, perfect. And of course, I have my mini mix and scraper, which I absolutely love. So this is gonna go into the oven at 400 degrees, and this is going to be our side dish for our steak dinner tonight. I have my corn pudding in the oven, but I have to tell you, I love this new little timer that we have, because you can do, I'm just gonna put this in, you can do up to, and I'm gonna put it on for 25 minutes because my oven cooks a little bit faster. You can do 4 different time settings, which is great because when you're cooking a lot, you can, set different times. So I can do 1 for the corn pudding, 1 for the steak, or for chicken, 1 for my apple pie, and then, 1 for the bread. Easy. I absolutely love this, and it does clip onto my my belt buckle, but it also will stand up on the counter. Okay, so this is our new clock timer, and I'm absolutely love it with it. Most of the time, I put it right up on my refrigerator. So what I am going to put with my steak is I'm going to put this down, just some onions and some sliced pepper. So I'm going to take the top off the pepper, and I'm going to actually save that because we're gonna cook that. But I'm going to take the seeds out of that, and this is the scoop loop. Takes the seeds out of your pumpkins, your squash, your cantaloupe, anything like that. And all you do is kind of put this in here, twist, and whoop, there it goes. All of it comes out. And then you can use the other part to get any remaining stuff out of there. So easy to clean, and it gets it all out. So let me move this over a little bit. I'm gonna take this actually. I'm gonna throw that on my grill. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use my rapid prep mandolin. So let me get this set up, and rapid prep mandolin, and I'm just gonna put it on a 5, and I'm just going to do some slicing. What I like about this is I can do julienne, I can do all different kinds of slicing and dicing and things like that with this. And I love that my fingers are away from the blade. So let's do the pepper first. If I can get this in here. Let's see. I might have to cut it in half. Hold on. Need to cut it in half just to get a better sense in here. Okay, so we're gonna try to do this. I'll cut it like this. There we go. And what I like is instead of me moving the food, the blade moves. If you notice, my hands are away from the blade. There's no way for me to get hurt. But then also it does these nice little slices. But I can also do julienne and things like that. And the onion, I'm also gonna slice just like that. If you're somebody who does prep, you know, you prep your meals and you want all of your veggies and stuff prepped ahead of time, you can definitely do this very quickly and easily with the Rapid Prep mandolin. And I also love that the storing goes, you know, the blade gets stored. It does come with a little brush to clean out in there, but it is dishwasher safe. This goes into the rack of my dishwasher. And then all of these, you know, if I'm prepping up my carrots and my veggies for stir fries and salads and all of that, I can just do it all in here and then dump it in a bowl, and I have the stuff set for easy, quick meals. My grill pan just heated up, and I always like to heat up the grill pan ahead of time. And I seasoned one side of my steak. This is the side that is going to go down onto my grill. Now we also have a double burner grill, and I use that a lot. In fact, the double burner grill is the one that I recommend to most people, because most people are cooking for more people than Michael and I. But since it's just Michael and I, we can actually get away most nights with just a single burner grill. But like I said, for most family members, I'm gonna say that you're gonna want to have the double burner grill, because you can do all of your meats, your veggies on one side. See, I'm just putting these veggies around, but on the double burner, you can actually have it, the meats on one side, the veggies on the other side, maybe 8 things of chicken, 2 steaks, and all the veggies, okay? So that's what I love, and this will give you, in the middle of winter, I have to tell you, I do not want to be outside grilling, so this grill pan, I'm going to take that little thing out, makes it so I can make a nice meal very, very quickly. Oh, I'm forgetting about these in here. I'm going to season these up a little bit, because I always think the veggies need a little bit of salt and seasoning. And then I'm going to add one more thing, if I can find it. Yes, I have it. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic-infused canola oil. I use this constantly in my kitchen. And I'm just going to kind of drizzle that over the veggies, and it's going to give it a nice flavor. So that's what we're going to have. I'm going to turn this in probably about 5 minutes or so. And we're going to have a great meal, that is just a steak meal with the corn pudding. Easy, easy, easy with all these roasted veggies. Easy, easy, easy. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is just coming along really nicely. One of the things, just a little hint, one of the things I am going to do is put a pat of butter on here. That is going to kind of finish it off. It's going to melt in, and it's going to make it taste really good. While we're waiting for the corn pudding, and my timer is going off, this is going to rest. It's really important to have your meat rest so that all of the juices distribute. There is the corn pudding that came out of the oven. Now I'm going to use one of my, these are my new tools. I love these because they have the wooden handles and the spoon, the spatula, and like the pasta server. So this is piping hot. So I'm just going to bring this right up there. Oh, look at how nice that looks. And I'm going to bring all of this. And then I am going to grab some of the meat on here. And look at how nice. I kind of overcooked it a little bit, but that's okay. And then we're going to have some of those great veggies that we put on here. And you can, saute any of your veggies. And I do like them very charred. So here, so we've got the corn pudding which is like just amazing. And then we've got our steak that I grilled on the grill pan, or you can use the double burner grill pan. And then also on the same pan, we did the grilled onions and peppers as our side dish. And that is dinner. Quick and easy. It probably took me about 20 minutes start to finish. This was easy, 20-25 minutes start to finish. Easy, nice weekday meal. So this is Linda Medeiros, director of The Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. Bye for now.